Hi guys, my name is Rage Darling, and up until recently I was streaming on old hardware, and while it was okay, it was sometimes a bit of a struggle. Then I upgraded my platform and the difference was night and day. So this giveaway is for those of you who really need a helping hand to bring you up to date. ScanPro Gaming have teamed up with Seagate and ASUS to offer one of you the chance to win a complete platform upgrade with over £1,000. This includes an AMD Ryzen 7 3800X 8-core 16-thread CPU, an ASUS ROG STRIX B55E motherboard, which is top of the range, featuring dual M.2 slots, 2.5GB Ethernet, and built-in Wi-Fi AX. This is of course RGB. Alongside that, an ASUS ROG Ryuo 240mm AIO cooler. That's the one with the awesome OLED screen that shows your CPU temps, cool logos, or you can even put your own custom image on it. Again, RGB. We've also got a 1TB Seagate FireCuda 520 NVMe SSD. It's one of the fastest on the market with read speeds of up to 5GB per second and has monster endurance of 2800 terabytes written as well. Lastly, we of course added 16GB of Corsair 3600 Ryzen optimized DDR4 RAM, which naturally is the RGB version. So, how do you win this amazing prize? Well, simply click on the link and make your way to our Gleam competition. There you'll get a free entry and will have the chance to increase your chances of winning by completing more entries, like telling us what your current specifications are and why you should be our winner for all of this cool stuff. All free, of course, but we'd like you to use a few hashtags, so be sure to use them when making any comments on our social media. These hashtags are Save Me Seagate, All on ASUS, and Love Scan. This competition is open worldwide, so be sure to tell your friends. And don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel as well for more awesome giveaways and future videos. You can also watch my amazing platform video where I totally do the most perfect PC rebuild that has ever existed in the world. 100% promise you, we're done. Oh, is this a how not to upgrade your system? Brilliant. I have a screwdriver. This is the game of find the screws. And that's the last one. All right, I can now take... Can you tell I'm not professional? All right, we're ready. Okay, I'm gonna pop this out from the side and like magic, 5 years of home becomes homeless. I don't know where I'm going with that. Hey! No burning motherboard, no burning motherboard. Yes, I can build a PC. Ha! Well, totally an expert. A huge thank you to our sponsors for this competition, Seagate and ASUS. Don't forget to check me out on my socials as well, @RageDarling, and good luck to everyone who enters.